Hello students, welcome to biology class. Macrobes and microbes. So what is macrobes and what is microbes? Macrobes will be macro, the term refers to the larger amount. Micro, which is very tiny particles. Yes or no? Yeah. So the macrobes includes the plants and animal, whereas microbes includes bacteria, fungi, all these. So in this video, we're going to discuss about microbes in industrial product. See, when you say the industrial product, it will be in macro amount. So there will be the large amount of the product we're going to be produce. So what are all the bacteria and the fungi we're going to improve the products with the desired quantities in a large scale we're going to discuss. So in this session we're going to discuss about fermented beverages, antibiotic, organic acids, alcohol and enzymes. So these are we going to discuss in this session. Students, in the topic microbes and industrial product, we are going to discuss about how these microorganisms will be used in the industries to get the desirable product. See, when you say the term the industry, so there will be in the large scale production, right? Yeah. So how this process will be take over? So already we were discussing about the fermentation process. So fermentation process, how does it happen? With the help of the large vessels called fermenters. So what is fermenters? Fermenters is a large scale production of various compounds in industries is done in very large vessels called fermenters. So in this chapter we're going to discuss about fermented beverages, antibiotic, alcohol, enzymes, bioactive molecules. So under the topic microbes and industrial product, what and all we going to cover today class? Fermented beverages, antibiotic, alcohol preparation, enzymes, bioactive molecules. Yeah. Now we move on to what is fermented beverages. Beverages are formed by the fermenting malted cereals and fruit juice with the help of the brewer yeast. So what is brewer yeast? Yes, think what is brewer yeast? Yeah, brewer is nothing but Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, so this helps to produce the ethanol. So formation of different types of alcoholic drink depend on the raw material which is used and how the type of processing will be taken place. So here are the two examples. One is wine and beer are produced without distillation process, and whiskey, brandy and rum are with the distillation process. So here will be the one more questions where wine and beer dash distillation process with or without. So answer is without. Whiskey, brandy and rum with distillation process. So that's all about fermented beverages. So next we're moving to study about the antibiotic. Yes, why do we need this antibiotic? Because when you infected with any other foreign particles called antigen, so our body immune system have enough power to kill the produce the antibodies to kill the foreign particle antigen. Even though if the bacteria or virus are very harmful to the particular host, so definitely there will be need of antibiotic to take. Okay, so once if you affected with any fever, when the fever persists for after 3 to 4 days, what happened? You will be directly move through the doctor. Yes or no? Yeah. So doctor will be giving you the antibiotic. So he will be prescribing lot of antibiotic medicine, or he will be putting some injection. So that is antibiotic. So first we're going to study about what is antibiotic. Antibiotics are chemical substance produced by some microorganism which can kill or retard the growth of other disease causing microorganism. Whether it kill the antigen or it will retard the growth of antigen. So that is the power of antibiotics. So here I given the penicillin. Yes, penicillin is the first antibiotic which was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Okay, so who was the person identified the first antibiotic? How does it happen? Discovery of penicillin we're going to study now. While working on the Staphylococcus bacteria, Fleming observed the growth of mold around which the bacteria did not grow. It was found to be a chemical called penicillin, okay, produced by the fungi Penicillium notatum. So there he found out the antibiotic called penicillin. So next, so here are the two scientists, Hans Chain and Howard Florey. So these are the two scientists who discovered or who established the function of penicillin. Okay, and the disease cured by the antibiotic include plague, whooping cough, diphtheria and leprosy. I repeat, okay, the disease cured by the antibiotic are whooping cough, diphtheria and leprosy. So these are the important microbes where the microbes will be very important, powerful in industrial products. So first one we discussed about the fermented beverages and second one is about the antibiotic. So far we discussed about microbes in industrial products. So what are all the things? Fermented beverages, antibiotic. So third one we're going to discuss about the organic acids and alcohol. Okay. So here in this tableau column I just given you the organic acid, what is the microbe and what is the type of microbe. Okay. So the first one we're going to study about the citric acid. So this will be the production of organic acid called citric acid. So where we going to extract this? From the microbe called Aspergillus niger. I repeat the term Aspergillus niger. So what is this Aspergillus niger? It is the fungi. I repeat again. So the organic acid have a target to produce citric acid. So where we getting the citric acid? From the microbe called Aspergillus niger. Actually, what is the type of microbe? Yeah, it is a fungi. So next one is about the acetic acid. So acetic acid which is extracted from the Acetobacter aceti. Very easiest one. Acetic acid, Acetobacter aceti. So this is the type of microbe is bacteria. Next one is butyric acid. So butyric acid is an organic acid where we extracted from the Clostridium butylicum. I repeat the term again, Clostridium butylicum. So it is a type of bacteria. What was the product? Butyric acid. So next we are going to study about the lactic acid, Lactobacillus species, where it is again the type of microbe is called bacteria. So these are very important thing to be noticed where you will be definitely get into the 2 mark questions. So which acid, okay, will be produced in which type of microbe and exact microbe name. Okay, so this will be the type of questions in this organic acid and alcohol. I repeat the term again. Citric acid, Aspergillus niger, fungi. Acetic acid, Acetobacter aceti, bacteria. Butyric acid, Clostridium butylicum, bacteria. Lactic acid, Lactobacillus species, bacteria. Here ethanol is produced by the yeast called Saccharomyces cerevisiae. See, continuously we were studying one fungi called yeast. That is the biological name will be Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Now we are going to discuss about the enzyme. So some enzymes are produced in the commercial use. So what are they? How does it uses for the mankind? So first one we are going to discuss about the lipase. Okay, lipase, Lipase. So lipase is an enzyme. So we were commercially producing this to use in the detergent formulation to remove the stain. Okay, and next one is about the pectinase and protease. I repeat the term, pectinase and protease. So used for clarifying the bottled juices. Okay, so what are the enzyme? Pectinase and protease which is used to clarify the bottled juices. Next one is very important term. Okay, will be like frequently asked in MCQ. Streptokinase. So streptokinase is produced by Streptococcus and modified as a genetic engineering product to be desired one in the higher amount to the productions. So it is used as a clot burster for removing the clot from the blood vessels of patients who have undergone myocardial infarctions. So what is the enzyme called? Streptokinase. So when you study about the enzyme, so the enzymes are lipase, pectinase and protease, streptokinase. So all these three were doing different functions called detergent formulation, used for clarifying bottle juice and used as a clot burster. That's all about the enzymes. Next, we're going to study about the bioactive molecules. So, bioactive molecules widely be used in the surgical process and all. Okay. So, here see the first molecule we're going to study about the cyclosporin. Okay. Cyclosporin is a molecule where we're taking from the source organism called Trichoderma polysporum. Okay. It is a fungi which is used in the immunosuppressive agent. Okay, see when the process called organ transplant process and all we were doing, we will be using the cyclosporin because it will be act as a immunosuppressive agent. Okay, so next one will be statin. S-T-A-T-I-N, very important one, statin. So statin will be from the source of organism we are taking from Monascus purpureus. Monascus purpureus. Okay, so this molecule will be helpful to the human being for blood cholesterol lowering agent. So it competitively inhibits the enzymes for cholesterol synthesis. So what is the enzyme? Called statin. So cyclosporin and statin will be the two molecule will be helpful in the bioactive molecules productions. So the source of organisms are Trichoderma polysporum, Monascus purpureus. Next, we're going to study about microbes as biocontrol agent. So, what is this biocontrol agent? With the help of the biological method, we're going to control the pest. Okay, so biocontrol is defined as controlling the plant disease and pest using biological methods. So, what are the methods we're going to discuss in upcoming session? See, insecticide and pesticide, that is the earlier chemical like insecticide and pesticides were used for biocontrol. But nowadays we were using this biological method to control the pest. So what are the disadvantages of chemical advantage? Okay, when you're using the chemicals, what will be the disadvantage? Okay, for example, when you're using the insecticide and pesticides. So chemicals are toxic and harmful to human being and animal. Chemicals pollute the environment and plant. Weedicide is used to remove weeds, also pollute the soil. So all these three are very disadvantaged because when you use the chemical, it will be like very toxic and harmful to the human beings as well as the animal, as well as the plant and as well as the abiotic factor soil. Next, we're going to study about the organic farmer. Organic farmer use holistic approach and keep pest as manageable level by complex system of check and balances within the ecosystem instead of their complete eradication. So what are the following approaches are familiarity with various life forms inhabiting the field. Next one, so they have the gain knowledge about the life cycle, patterns of feeding and habitat of the predator and pest. So this way the organic farmer will be using this technique to do. So here are some examples to study under the biocontrol are. So first one is lady birds and dragonflies are used to get rid of aphids and mosquito. So here this will be the pure example of biological method to kill the pest as one of biocontrol agent, that is the ladybird and dragonflies. See, simple concept. With the help of the biological organism, okay, with the help of the organism to kill the other organism, that is biocontrol agent. For example, ladybirds and dragonflies are the organisms which helps to kill the pest called aphid and mosquito, where it will be causing a major disease to the plant as well as the human being. So next one is about Bacillus thuringiensis. So this is the bacteria which is used to control the butterfly caterpillars. See, the dried spore of Bt are mixed with water and sprayed on plants such as brassicas and fruit trees. So what happened? The insect larvae, after eating this, what happened? So it is killed by the toxin which is released by the Bacillus thuringiensis. So next is the Bacillus thuringiensis will be the toxin gene have been introduced into the plant to produce a resistant to the pest called Bt cotton. So widely we will be using this Bacillus thuringiensis process in Bt cotton. Next we are going to study about the Trichoderma species. It is a free living fungi are present in the root ecosystem where they act as a several plant pathogen. I repeat, the Trichoderma species. So last will be the baculovirus. Okay, baculovirus, a pathogen that attacks the insect and other arthropod. For example, most of these biocontrol agents belong to the genus Nucleopolyhedrovirus. So these are the species specific narrow-spectrum insecticide. So they do not harm plants, mammals, birds, fish and other non-target insects. Baculovirus are helpful in integrated pest management, that is IPM program, in which the beneficial insects are conserved with the help of the biocontrol agents. So that's all about microbes as biocontrol agents. Students, in this video we studied about microbes in industrial product. So here we discussed about the antibiotics, fermented beverages, organic chemicals. Okay, so all these we were studied, and with the help of the bacteria and fungi, how there will be the large production of the product will be, we studied here. Thank you.